I was looking for a way to compare images on the mast portal, and this is the code that I found. Um, so let's take a quick look at the output. That's the code. Get the images up. This is the output. The difference between the two images, like right here, you can see two streaks 4 days apart. Same right here. There's one over here. This is the difference between the two images. Let's see if I can pull up the images here. All right. This is the left image, and this is the right image. And there we go. This is the RAN designation in the mast portal. I guess it's the star itself. So these images are how many years old? Let's take a look. Ah, crap. Two 2004, 2003. But yeah, even with the Hubble Space Telescope, you can find, with Python, you can find images that you can compare and find dots, space rocks. So, like right here is one. This is a comparison of the two. This is one, and this is the other. This is one, and this is the other. 4 days apart. And then the Python program just compares the differences. It subtracts out all the stars, and even you see all this stuff. A lot of stuff moving around in space. That's it, folks.